I could have sworn that the love we had, it was true. Could have sworn it.
Hello people, and today I'll be showing you what kind of things that you should pack with for campouts. The first thing I'm going to show you is not really a hiking backpack, but it's more of just like a day pack kind of thing. But I used it on my last campout. It was a lightweight backpacking campout. It is from North Face. It's really good because it can hold my water bottle and stuff, but I would only prefer using this if you were going to go walk around on a lightweight backpacking campout. So I don't prefer it that much, but on a normal campout you can use it. But the next thing is I mostly use these a lot unless I'm not. I only use this if I'm going on a regular one because this duffel bag is from Walmart. The North Face one I got for free at Get Outdoors Castleberry. They hold a raffle every single year. They do it every single year, and I got it for free. This, $25 Walmart, and it comes with a special thing that can hold other clothes, but I don't really use it that much. It has two pockets on the end, one big middle one, like this big, one right here. You can technically fit in a small person, and then two side pockets, and just this one right here. I usually use this. I usually put all my main stuff in the big one, and I put like my first aid kit and bug repellent on the sides. And on this one, I just put in like extra pocket knives or something that I'll need on a campout. But I mean, first time, if you're going camping the first time, I mean, you want something with space because you don't really know how to pack all your stuff yet. I would prefer this. It's cheap. It's really nice. I mean, people say, wow, why do you have that huge duffel bag? Well, it's because I want to pack up all my stuff and extra. So I would prefer this if you were just starting out because you don't really want to go to a backpack like I'm going to show you now. This is a North Face Terra 65 hiking backpack. This is one of the real ones. People say that they have hiking backpacks, but this is the real one right here. This has a top pocket, and so I have a 2-year warranty on it. And also, you have to get fitted. This is an internal backpack. You have to get fitted first, because the only way I got fitted for this was because my dad got me for Christmas a $150 Gander Mountain card. Gander Mountain is the best way to get these. This was $170 plus the 2-year warranty on it, so that's an extra $20. So all I spent was $190. But yeah, it suits me really well. I like it because it's not like other internal backpacks where you always have to buy them. This one right here, you see these little numbers? It's like an external backpack. It grows with me, so I don't have to worry about getting one for another couple of years, because this will provide me all that I need. So that's just a few of them. There is a lot more packs out there that you can get, but I would prefer these three because you don't need that much packs. I mean, if you're going on a hiking backpack soon, you might want to get fitted for a hiking backpack, but if not, that's fine. Just get the duffel bag, or if you have any spare duffel bags, or you have any spare backpacks, but I mean, I won that at Wakaiva, but use an old school backpack as your first time. I don't know. But trust me, it's a cheap way, and these things, I mean, the most expensive one was my backpack, $25 for the duffel bag. I don't know how much I would have paid for the North Face backpack, but who knows. But yeah, if you go to any outdoor place, they'll always have a raffle for a backpack or something. But if you want to, always go with the raffle. But this is XX Camper signing out.